Hello, my name is Andrea. I am Twisted Creations Home and Bath, and welcome to my channel. Today I am making another body spray for you. This one is the last one of the Winter Wonderland theme. This is going to be Winter Wonderland. So let's go ahead and get started. We are using distilled water, witch hazel, glycerin, fragrance, polysorbate, and preservative. There will be no color, so I'm going to put this in the microwave and heat it up. By now you should know which preservative I'm using and why. I'm using potassium sorbate. I am trying to transfer over to more natural preservatives because I make my products with as many natural ingredients as I can. And I make sure all my fragrances are toxin free. We're using another blend of fragrance. We are using another fragrance blend that I created, adding polysorbate for the oils, for the fragrance oil. Make sure everything's blended well, and then we'll add the fragrance and polysorbate. Alright, check this out. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. It's a oilier one. I don't mind that the polysorbate clouds my body sprays, because then I know that it's not going to stain your clothes or your environment. Makes me feel better that the fragrance oils are then mixed with the water and will wash out, because that's what emulsifier does, is help the oils blend with water so that they're easier to wash out, amongst other reasons emulsifiers are great for the skin. See if I can manage this one without spilling it. And there you go. That's the last one to the Winter Wonderland theme this year. I'm so excited. That's not as cloudy as I thought it would be. It looks good. And until next time, have a great day. Winter Forest, Winter Snowdrop, Winter Retreat, Winter Wonderland. There they are.